Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my Boxy Charm videos. I am doing something a little different today. I wanted to do like a get ready with me plus trying on the products that I am receiving. So I went ahead and used all the products I could that were in my Boxy Charm to finish today's face. So I ended up having I think like 3 or 4 makeup products that I could use and fast forwarded it so that you guys don't watch me just get ready the whole time. I let you guys know my genuine, honest opinion about what I think about them. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It was so much fun. See you guys in just 2 seconds. So cute. Alright, so the editor palette. Oh, this is so cute. I love this packaging so much. Cute. I'm trying to use as many Boxy Charm products that I got today on my face today since I have to go out. It's kind of like a challenge, so not gonna lie, these look okay. I don't really know if they're good or not until I use them, so I'm gonna wait until I use them to like judge. This is the shadow I'm gonna be wearing on my eyesight. Can't really see anything, so I'm like digging in there for stuff. This is a cheek trio. It's a bronzer. Super cute and simple. Anything marble is like so classy to me. So it's like a bronzer and then it has a blush and like a shimmery bronzer in the middle. This is actually really cute. I hope it goes well with what I'm doing today, but ooh, it's a Tarte setting spray. That's awesome. I've actually been needing a setting spray, so this is actually perfect. That's makeup for 16 hours. Cool. Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer. I don't think I've ever used a buffer before. Oh, wow, this smells so good. Cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. I'm actually really excited for this. This smells so good. Oh my god. Alright, so for the last item, I got a tightening and resplendent eye mask. So now that I opened all of these things, obviously since I'm trying to do my makeup, I have to use all of these products to do my face. So I'm just going to fast forward to when I need to use those products. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my makeup. So I will see you guys in just a second. So I was in the middle of concealing my eyebrows and then I realized that I have an eye cream I need to test out for you guys. So I just put that on pause real quick and I want to test this out. This is a hyaluronic acid and pollulant eye mask. So I'm just gonna apply a thin layer to my clean dry skin, and that just goes underneath your eye and on the eye area. I like that this is not scented because non-scented eye cream is like the best. I like this. It's like super thin and like easy to apply. I don't feel like I have to rub super hard on my eye to get the product all over the place, and that's nice. I actually really like this mask. Probably rate it like an 8 out of 10. Like haven't seen the effects of it just yet, so a solid 8. Okay, so I concealed my brows and I applied some foundation on. I'm gonna go in and start with the eyeshadow. Okay, so we have the Editor Palette by hiiii, and I'm kind of going for like a nude-ish today, so I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna start with a nude using just a blending eyeshadow brush. Going to grab this top left nude, and I'm just going to apply that on my eyelid as a base. So that's what it looks like after I applied it all over my eyes. Next, I'm gonna go in with this pinkish right underneath the nude that I just used. And I'm just gonna use the same brush, but I'm gonna focus this more on my outer crease. It was way more pink than I expected. It's fine. I mixed the pink and the nude together. I'm gonna add a little bit more nude by adding this middle right corner nude, and I'm just going to apply that to my eyelid, like the bottom part, then slowly start mixing in the crease so that it's nice and smooth as it mixes into the pink. Once you mix in that second nude color, it kind of turns into like an orangey pink. I'm gonna leave that like this for now. So far, I actually really like it. I think the colors are like super light but pigmented. It doesn't have a lot of that like loose powder that falls onto your face while you're applying some. So far, maybe like an 8 or 9 out of 10 because the products are nice. I do like the products. There's just a lot of colors in this palette. I wouldn't personally ever use these 6 right here. And actually those 2 blue ones, like I just don't really see myself. I'm more of like a neutral person. Okay, so I officially am done doing most of my face. So I am going to use that same eyeshadow palette to add some color to my waterline. Probably gonna end up using that second nude I went with just because it's the darkest. This one right here. Using a small brush, I'm just going to apply some to my waterline and then mix it in until it looks super blended and smooth. So after applying that, this is what your eyes should look like. So for bronzer, I am excited. I love trying out new bronzers. So I am going to start with the color Incredible. I'm just gonna start outlining my cheeks a little bit. So far it's a nice color on my skin. It's pigmented, which is good. For the product alone, I would probably rate that like a 7 so far. But I'm gonna try to apply some of this Goddess highlighter and maybe some blush, but we'll see. I'm going to grab my bronzer brush and just smile super hard and add that to my cheekbones. I'm gonna apply the highlighter. I like this highlight so much. I think actually, you know what? The whole mix, like when you use all 3 colors together, it's super glowy and nice. So I like it. I think overall, I'm probably gonna end up rating this like an 8 out of 10. So this is how it looks after applying all of it. I like it. It's super cute, super neutral. Okay guys, so very last product is the Tarte setting spray, which is honestly what I'm most excited about in this video. I always wanted to try this one. So you hold the bottle 8 to 10 inches from your face. That's like it. I'm not gonna do much because I really don't want to mess up my makeup. I guess I won't really know until way later when I'm done. But so far I like it. I mean, I love Tarte cosmetics in general, so I highly doubt that this is not gonna be, it's gonna be like a blob, you know? Yeah, so that was basically it for my get ready with me using Boxy Charm products video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching my video. As always, if you guys like this video, comment and like, subscribe. I would really appreciate that. I will be uploading another video sometime this week, so you guys can expect to see my face in a few days after this. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.